Hi everyone, welcome back. You all in my channel Ramakrishna Math Zone. This one from IIT JAM 2024 and this question is from series. Question is given this one, and first your task is read the question carefully. First of all, the task is read the question carefully. After that, try to solve. Okay. Question is given a n be the sequence of real number, fine. Then which of the following statement each or are true? This summation a n is convergence absolutely. Then a n square is converges absolutely. A n is converges absolutely. Then this cube is converges absolutely. This one converges. Then this one converges. Okay. अच्छा सी एक चीज देखो, summation a n converges means CGT absolutely n equal to 1 to infinity. Just follow my steps, there is no logical error hopefully. From here what we can say, summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n is converges. ए एन इज कॉन्वर्जेस. ओके, ठीक है. अच्छा, देयरफॉर लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी ए एन इक्वल टू 0. हेंस फॉर sufficiently large n, for sufficiently large n, a n modulus less than 1. From here what you can say, from here a n square less or equal to a n mod, and a n cube less than or equal to a n square less than or equal to a n mod. Therefore that implies summation a n square less than or equal to summation a n mod, and summation a n cube less than or equal to summation a n mod. N equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, these two things. Okay, now summation a n equal to 1 to infinity is convergent by comparison test, inequality form summation a n square convergent and summation a n cube n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity, this also convergent. Fine, sorry, this one power whole cube, this also convergent. That implies summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n square is converges absolutely, and n equal to 1 to infinity a n cube is converges absolutely. So what we can say, see the statement again. If this one convergent absolutely, then this one convergent absolutely. So both the statement are correct. Therefore what we can say, therefore A and B both are true. Now question is what about C? Summation a n convergent implies summation an square convergent. This is the statement C basically. Okay. Acha, let minus 1 power n plus 1 by root n, that is equal to our n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity. This one convergent by Leibniz test. Leibniz test. As this sequence, that is, this sequence means some bn, that is root n, monotonically decreasing sequence of positive term, and limit n tends to infinity bn equal to 0. So that's why, this is the reason, that's why we can say it is convergent. Now n equal to 1 to infinity an square, that is equal to n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n, that is not convergent, that is not convergent by p test as p equal to 1. Okay, from here we can say our T statement is false, because it is given that an is convergent implies an square is convergent. No, this one is not true. This one is not true. Now an is converges, then an cube is converges. An is converges, then an cube is converges. For that one, we see here interesting observation is there. Acha. We define what a 3k minus 2 equal to k power minus 1 by 3, e 3k minus 1 equal to k power minus 1 by 3, e 3k equal to minus 2 k power minus 1 by 3. In this way, ठीक है. Then for each block a 3k minus 2 plus a 3k minus 1 plus a 3k equal to 0. Also the terms also tend to 0. The terms tends to 0. Fine. The terms tends to 0. Okay. Hence an convergence. Fine. Now a 3k minus 2 cube plus a 3k minus 1 cube plus a 3k cube equal to 1 by k plus 1 by k minus 8 by k, that is basically 6 by k. Thus an cube behaves like minus 6 by k and minus 6 by k like this, divergent. What this implies? This implies summation an cube also divergence. Okay. So in this case we can say that an is converges, but still this is not converges. So D option also discard out. आपका करेक्ट जो आंसर होगा A option and B option. Okay. Hopefully you got my points. I try to explain in detail as much as possible with you. If you feel that this solution is helpful for you, definitely share with your friends as well. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.